People are now getting the inside of their ears removed in a new body modification trend. The procedure is called a conch removal. Discovered in 1976, the megamouth shark is an extremely rare species. Only 60 of them have ever been seen. Scientists have discovered a strange spiraling creature in the Australian waters, and it may be the longest animal in the world. In 2011, archaeologists discovered skeletal remains of a Roman couple who had been holding hands for over 1500 years. Female grandulas are brown and the male ones are electric blue. Humans are bioluminescent and actually glow in visible light. However, the light that we emit is 1000 times lower than the sensitivity of our naked eyes, so we are not able to see it. Doctors removed a 6-inch live worm from the brain of a 23-year-old Chinese woman after she suffered from severe headaches. Scientists have discovered that waxworms can eat and break down one of the most common plastics, polythene, into organic compounds. This is blobfish, also known as the world's ugliest animal. There is a plant named Pandwara Bati which can be lighted just by applying little oil on it, and it is said it is used as a torch by Pandavas during the Vanvas. Japanese researchers have successfully developed a device that will be able to literally play back your dreams in a video sequence. This map shows where today's countries would be located on the supercontinent Pangaea over 335 million years ago. The Titanic II is scheduled to set sail in 2022 and will retrace the route of the original ship. More boys are born during times of war and stress, and no one knows why. This phenomena is called the returning soldier effect. In order to protect themselves from poachers, African elephants have been evolving without tusks. Dogecoin was initially created as a joke in 2013 and now has a market cap of $4.5 billion. Kim Jong is so heartless that he ordered North Koreans to give up their pet dogs for meat to deal with food shortage. In 1942, a British forest guard in India made an alarming discovery. Some 16,000 feet above sea level, at the bottom of a small valley, was a frozen lake absolutely full of skeletons. Since 1951 in Israel, it is required by the law that every new building will have a security room that can withstand blast and shrapnel from conventional weapons and offer protection against chemical and biological weapons. In 2013, a New York family bought a $3 bowl at a garage sale. It turned out to be a 1,000-year-old Chinese bowl worth $2.2 million. In the 1960s, Bell Labs created a picture phone where people could look at each other while talking on the phone. Space experts says 110 people is the minimum number to start life on Mars. Sony was founded in 1946. This electric rice cooker was their first product. Black rose, an extremely rare flower that is grown naturally only in the village of Halfeti, Turkey. Crocodiles never die of old age because they do not age biologically. Instead, they die of either starvation or a disease. The letter Q, W, and X were illegal in Turkey for 84 years. Starbucks doesn't allow its employees to apply perfume, fragrant powder, or lotion because the smell may affect the aroma of the coffee in its stores. China has the world's largest air purifier, a 328 feet tall anti-smog tower that can produce 10 million cubic meter fresh air every day. Boy with ocular albinism, a rare genetic condition that only affects eyes. This is a picture of early 90s fireman suit for the firemen to get closer to the fire. The world record for long distance archery is held by a guy with no arms. After the bone marrow, hair is the second fastest growing tissue in the human body. Moon pulls up water in oceans and even in lakes due to its gravitational force, which leads to formation of tides. The contrasting color of the pink salt lakes in Western Australia. This is one of the spookiest fossils that have ever been found, a 125 million years old two-headed reptile from China. Only one case has ever been found. Tatiana and Krista Hogan are co-joint twins of the brain and can see through each other's eyes and read each other's mind. There is a town in Alaska where almost everyone lives and works under one roof. A single 4-story high-rise is home to most of the town's residents, as well as its post office, grocery store, health clinic, laundromat and church. That's all for the facts part, and now let's end this video with a riddle as usual. Who is lying, the girl on the sofa or the groom? Write down your answers in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like this video cause it really motivates me to create more such content.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit.